Paano kaya ang buhay kung walang Meralco? Ganito tayo noon. In 1903, nagbago ang lahat. Mula noon, we have powered the country's transformation. Making possible the growth of many businesses, both local and multinational, and the emergence of a powerful new economy. Meralco today continues to partner in nation building through unprecedented growth and performance, through innovation. Growth that ultimately benefits our customers. But what is Meralco's true source of power? What gives us the power to transform a nation at gawing maliwanag ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan? Our true source of power is our people. Our people burn with passion and commitment to serve our customers, the community, our countrymen. Our leaders grow the business by driving a culture of innovation and performance excellence. Our corporate values, preserving the best of the past and building what it takes to succeed in the future. Naniniwala kami na mahalagang magtrabaho ng may puso, hindi lang ambisyon. At gagawin namin ang lahat para paglingkuran at tulungang maiangat ang buhay ng ating mga kababayan. We power up a nation through empowered and highly engaged people.
Pag masaya ka sa trabaho mo at nakapagsiservisyo ka ng maganda sa publiko, napapailaw mo ang isang barangay at maraming mga pamilya na napapangiti mo sa pamamagitan ng magandang paglilingkod, masaya. Mawawala yung pagod mo.
Masayang-masaya ako kasi natutulungan ko ang maraming customers. Magigain mo yung kanilang friendship and respect. You feel a sense of fulfillment and joy every time may matutulungan ka.
Self-fulfillment, first of all. Kasi napasaya mo sila, even though hindi kami directly nakakapag-communicate sa kanila, alam mo na may kuryente na sila. So masaya ka na.
Meralco fully trust my work, no? Made me confident, not just as a lawyer, but just as an ordinary employee of the company. The malasakit value is uniquely Meralco.
Isang tangi po nagpapagalak po sa akin, o nagpapangiti po sa akin dahil ako po isang empleyado ng Meralco. Yung pagmamalasakit po na itinuturo namin ay binibigay namin sa aming mga customer. Yun din po yung malasakit na nararanasan namin bilang mga empleyado.
Isa sa dahilan kung bakit tayo nagtatrabaho ng masaya, syempre yung mga binibigay na benefits ni Meralco sa atin. Hindi naman biro din yung mga natatanggap natin benepisyo. Kaya dapat lang siguro suklian natin ng magandang trabaho. Career development. Binibigyan ka nila ng opportunity para ma-develop yung sarili mo. Kung ano yung alam mo, may labas mo.
Masayang masaya. Isipin mo naman, 35 years na ako. Lahat ng biyaya halos galing sa Meralco. Kung sa panahon na ito, wala na akong pinag-aaral. Marami na akong taong natutulungan pagdating sa pinansyal.
Pangatlong henerasyon na ako dito sa Meralco. Dinadanas ko rin yung pag-aaruga nila mula nung sa lolo ko hanggang sa ngayon. May mga family day kami. Talagang napagbubuklod mo yung espiritu ng pamilya.
You know, I've been operated on and diagnosed to have colon cancer. Pero yung Meralco, they took care of me. They took care of all of my medical and other expenses na kailangan dyan sa treatment niyan. This is like a family. Hindi ka niya iiwanan.
Proud ako maging Meralco kasi in spite na napakalaking kumpanya, hindi pa rin siya nakakalimutan tumulong sa mga taong nangangailangan. Tulad po ng Mundoy, nagbigay siya ng relief goods sa mga nasalanta at nabahaang lugar.
One aspect I think that's important for me is the role of Meralco in the Philippines. It's a growth enabler. With all these investments and initiatives that Meralco is entering into, I think the objective is not really just to make money or not to make profits, but to help more Filipinos enjoy the benefits of electricity.
Tulad nga ng sinabi ni MVP, the business should do well in order to do good.
Yes, we at Meralco seek to grow even more, not because we want more profits for ourselves, but because we see ourselves as agents of change, as agents of national transformation. We want to help you and better things happen. We want to improve people's lives, and we want the Filipino healthier and wealthier. And we want to see innovation and the technologies to change the way we think, the way we live.
United by one vision, we are one family and one company with the power to help transform a nation, to transform lives, and make the dream of a brighter future become a reality. We are one Meralco.